Greetings and welcome, my dear fellow collectors. I thought about this for a long time. I want to introduce early Barbie clothes 50 years and older to you. I think most of you have never seen these outfits before. The first one is called After 5, one of my personal favorites. I have some of the Barbie vintage clothes, but not all complete. By the way, I always accept donations. Feel free to donate something to me. High shipping costs make it sometimes hard to acquire things from the United States. Anyway, as a reliable source, I tell you what you should look for when buying this dress. The fabric is very delicate to deal with. You often find dresses with rips, tears, dents, and so on. The dress itself has 4 white little buttons. The fabric used is organdy for the white collar and the hat. The black dress is made of fire and also found in polished cotton. My book says it was available by 1962. The cut of the dress is, in my opinion, very sophisticated, but in its way of cutting, it's very unusual. I must say that I had a long time trouble with liking vintage Barbie dolls and clothes, but I was really fascinated when I had the first piece of vintage Barbie clothing in my hands. It's very different from nowadays Barbie clothes. The early clothes have very much detail and are cut like mini versions of great couture ensembles. I'm no fan of fast-made and cheap Barbie clothes. That's why I really like the old fashion. The fashion tells us a story, and now it's up to you to tell me for the next episode of Show and Tell. I want to call this story Show and Tell. What criteria to use for the ranking of this dress? What would you like me to use? How would you, for example, define the quality? You can tell me what you think, what criteria I should use for the next video of this series. Please write your ideas down in the comments. Every Friday comes a new exciting video for you, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel or feel free to make any donations. Thanks!